The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 14-inch abrasive cutoff saw delivers corded level power with its 4,000 RPM brushless motor, effortlessly handling materials like rebar and steel studs. Its tool-free blade changes and fence adjustments combined with the rapid stop trademark brake and overload indicator enhance both safety and efficiency on the job site. Users can expect up to 200 cuts per charge when using the M18 Red Lithium High Output HD 12.0 battery pack. Bosch UniversalInspect is a robust and user-friendly inspection camera, ideal for DIY enthusiasts tackling home or automotive projects. Its 8mm waterproof camera head, 0.95 meters flexible cable, and 2.31-inch color display provide clear visuals in tight spaces, while the included accessories hook, magnet, and mirror enhance its versatility. Though the cable length may be limiting for deeper inspections, its sturdy build and practical features make it a valuable tool for everyday tasks. This 5-inch bush hammer is a powerhouse for prepping concrete and stone surfaces, effortlessly removing coatings and creating an anti-slip finish. Its triple 30-pin Litchi rollers deliver a consistent CSP 4 to 5, texture-enhancing bonding effectiveness for overlays. Durable and efficient, it's a must-have for professionals seeking reliable surface preparation tools. Skill SRT 1039 offers a sturdy and spacious 26 inches by 16 inches MDF work surface, complemented by a robust 24-inch aluminum fence and dual feather boards for precise routing. Its above-table bit adjustment feature, compatible with select skill routers, enhances convenience, while integrated side storage keeps bits and accessories organized. Ideal for small workshops, this router table combines functionality and value, making it a solid choice for both beginners and seasoned woodworkers. The Tormek SVD186R gouge jig offers precise and repeatable sharpening for wood turning and carving tools, ensuring consistent bevel angles and profiles. Its redesigned locking screw enhances stability, making it easier to sharpen complex tools like V-gouges and bent carving tools. Compatible with all Tormek machines, this jig is a valuable addition for both novice and experienced woodworkers seeking accuracy and efficiency in tool maintenance. Stripmeister E 2000x is a powerhouse for copper wire recycling, effortlessly handling wires from 1/8 to 3 1/8 inches in diameter. With its 1-horsepower DC motor and variable speed control, users praise its precision, quiet operation, and time-saving capabilities, noting it pays for itself quickly in high-volume settings. Built with CNC milled components and featuring an emergency stop button, it's a top-tier choice for professionals seeking efficiency and safety. WEN 6502T is a reliable benchtop sander featuring a 4.3-amp motor that delivers up to 3,600 RPM, effectively handling various sanding tasks. Its adjustable 4 inches by 36 inches belt tilts from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, and the sturdy cast iron base minimizes vibrations, ensuring stability during operation. While some users note the disc sander table could be more robust, the machine's overall performance and value make it a solid choice for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts.